Devil's Point in the Philippines, we are immersed in one of Earth's most diverse ecosystems. A system that harnesses the power of the sun through a unique collaboration between animals and algae. A system that supports thousands of species by making efficient use of often scarce nutrients. Hidden in these nooks and crannies, we find a multitude of organisms in a complex web of connections. We observe these species and many more, but what we can't see are all the relationships that link them to one another. Most importantly, they take part in a food web, overlapping connections of producers and consumers, predators and prey. Humans take part in this food web too, and coral reefs support more complex food webs than any other places on the planet. Just as corals depend on algae to survive, humans depend on reefs. 500 million people rely on coral reefs for food and income. Many have learned how to harvest the reef's bounty sustainably in a way that supports healthy reef ecosystems. But reefs provide more than food. They also provide protection. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones form over the tropical ocean, sometimes doing serious damage when they make landfall. Satellites have tracked tropical storms over many seasons, so we can speed up time to observe their movement. Brighter lines indicate more intense storms. Healthy reefs protect land from the damaging effects of these tropical storms. Here we see the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef in the Atlantic Ocean. When Hurricane Dean struck Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula in 2007, the reef helped shield the shoreline. Reefs dissipate waves' energy, reducing wave height and slowing the water before it crashes into the shore.